Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you need to zoom in on small text, labels, menus or projects using your iPhone's camera, Magnifier is the built-in accessibility tool made for exactly that. In iPhone settings 2026, Magnifier can be turned on and accessed instantly from Control Center or with a shortcut. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to turn on Magnifier on your iPhone in 2026 like a pro. Okay, so first thing, go to settings. Okay, tap settings. Let's get back to the settings home screen. So now this is where find the options of settings. So I want you to look for the accessibility. Tap accessibility. Okay, so this is where visual assistance features are located. So scroll down and tap Magnifier. So you have to find it in these options. Okay, so let's see. So toggle on the zoom or magnifier. So magnifier is now enabled on your iPhone. Okay, so for fast access, go to settings, go to control center, tap plus and next to magnifier. Okay, so now you can open it instantly. Okay, so you can open magnifier in multiple ways: control center, triple click the side button if enabled, search magnifier in spotlight. Okay, so these are the ways that you can use the magnifier on your iPhone. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.